Hi and welcome to the Classical Guitar Playground. In this video I'm going to show you how to restring your classical guitar. For this I will be using nylon strings, specifically D'Addario strings normal tension. Now you can use whatever brand of strings you prefer as long as they are nylon strings. They come in different tensions, normal, hard and extra hard, and if you're a beginner I would advise you to go with the normal tension. Now let's change those strings, shall we? Our first task is to remove the old strings. This is done by unwinding the strings with the tuning pegs. For this I use a tuning peg winder. You can of course simply use your fingers. It will do the same job, just a bit slower. Now remove the strings at the bridge. Now take a damp cloth and clean the fingerboard. Now the guitar is ready for restringing. Here are the guitar strings. They come like this out of the pack. And as you can see, they have the string number here, tagged. It's tagged right here. And on the other side, we have the string name. So it's pretty identifiable. Now, put the end of the string through the hole in the bridge and drag it through and leave a little end that is not too long nor too short. At this point I use a lighter to burn the end of the string to make a little ball to prevent it from sliding out. Just for safety measures. Now this I only do for the first 3 strings. And remember kids, don't play with fire. Now take the string over the bridge and then under the string here. Then again over and under and once more over and under. And then we're going to pinch the string between the bridge here, and the string itself. And then pull the string gently to tighten it. And now for string 2, we do exactly the same as we did with the string number 1. Just make sure it's number 2. Unwind it. Now when reaching string number 3, you don't do a double knot because of the thickness of the string. It's a little bit thicker than, of course, than the first and the second, so it suffices to only go once over and under. So this time I go over the bridge, behind the string, and then once over and under. Pinch the string between the bridge and the string itself, pull gently, tighten string. Now I do think that the best way to do this personally is to do one string at a time, but for showcase purposes I did 3 strings at the bridge just to demonstrate how it's done. Now I'm gonna attach the first string at the headstock for the first winding screw. We put it here through this hole right here. Put it down here, drag the string. It has to go through here and down in the string, and then we put the string back up and through the hole again. So up here again, and then back down through the hole. So it goes 2 times through. Now I'm going to tighten the tuning pack. Make sure the string winds this direction over the tuning pack. So again, I'm going to be using the tuning pack winder. Now we have successfully restrung the guitar, and all that is left is to tune it to right pitch. And make sure you give it a little haircut at the same time. And that's it. I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you did, I invite you to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.